Today, we're taking a joyride through the heart of Jamaica to spotlight 6 iconic companies that aren't just familiar names. They're woven into the fabric of our daily lives and culture. Whether you're soaking up the sun in Kingston or living abroad, these brands bring a slice of Jamaica to your doorstep. First up, the behemoth known as GraceKennedy. This group of companies isn't just a heavyweight in food and finance. It's a giant that has spread its branches from Jamaica to touch corners in the USA, Canada, and the UK. Imagine each sip of their vibrant tropical juices as a beam of Jamaican sunshine, and their array of canned goods as your culinary sidekick in the kitchen. But the real cherry on top? Their commitment to community upliftment. With initiatives from scholarships to infrastructure, GraceKennedy does more than nourish. It fosters dreams and builds futures, making it a true pillar of Jamaican heritage. Next, let's talk about a national treasure encased in a flaky golden crust, Tastee Patties. These patties aren't just food, they're a cultural statement. Whether you're craving beef, chicken, or a veggie twist, each patty is a burst of mouth-watering joy. Affordable and ubiquitous, they're the perfect companion for a hectic day or a vibrant cricket match. Tastee Patties do more than fill your stomach. They unite hearts and taste buds across the island and in the Jamaican diaspora. If Jamaica had an official flavor, Tastee would be dishing it out. Hot, spicy, and oh so delicious. Moving into the financial sector, we find the stalwart National Commercial Bank, or NCB. This bank isn't just a financial institution, it's a powerhouse of innovation. Whether you're saving, borrowing, or investing, NCB is like that genius buddy who always has a slick solution. Beyond the numbers, they're heavy hitters in community development, fueling local enterprises and educational efforts that light the way to a prosperous Jamaican future. NCB isn't just about the money, it's about making meaningful impacts. Let's raise our glasses to a true legend, Wray Nephew, producers of the white Overproof rum, which is the lifeblood of our island festivities. This isn't just any rum, it's a cultural phenomenon. Essential at every party, it's the spark in our dance hall moves and the warmth that brings families together. With a legacy as rich as Jamaica's history, each bottle tells a tale of perseverance and pride. Remember, a Jamaican gathering without Wray Nephew is like a dance hall without beats. Simply unthinkable. Don't go away yet because the story gets even juicier with the Wisynco Group Limited. More than just a beverage producer, Wisynco hydrates and delights with beloved brands like Wada, Cranwada, and Bigga. Each gulp is a testament to their dedication to quality and innovation. But Wisynco's role doesn't stop with quenching thirst. They're also champions of environmental conservation and community support, ensuring our island remains lush and our people empowered. They're in the business of beverages, sure, but their true mission is the betterment of Jamaica. Next up, we spotlight the crown jewel of Jamaican hospitality, Sandals Resorts International. This brand has redefined luxury in the Caribbean, intertwining it seamlessly with the charm and beauty of our islands. Each resort isn't just a getaway, it's a showcase of the pinnacle of Jamaican hospitality. More than just places of luxury, Sandals promotes sustainable tourism, creates jobs, and helps our community thrive on the global stage, embodying the spirit and ambition of Jamaica. There you have it. 6 industry titans that don't just move Jamaica, they rock the globe. Each one stands as a beacon of our resilience, ingenuity, and vibrant spirit. No matter where you are in the world, these brands bring a piece of Jamaica to you. But before we dash off, here are 5 bonus tips about doing business in Jamaica. 1. Embrace the informal economy. Jamaica's informal sector is vibrant and filled with entrepreneurial spirit. Engaging with and understanding this sector can provide unique business opportunities and insights. Whether it's street vendors, local craftspeople, or small-scale farmers, these are the heartbeats of real Jamaican commerce. Don't overlook them. Instead, consider how your business could support, collaborate with, or learn from these entrepreneurs. 2. Understand local regulations and incentives. Jamaica offers a variety of incentives for businesses. especially in sectors like tourism, manufacturing, and agriculture. However, navigating local regulations can be tricky. It's wise to consult with local experts and legal advisors to fully understand the regulatory landscape and take advantage of any government incentives and tax reliefs that could benefit your business. 3. Invest in relationships. Business in Jamaica, like many Caribbean islands, is all about relationships. Take the time to build trust and rapport with your local partners, customers, and suppliers. Attend community events, participate in local initiatives, and respect the local customs and practices. Strong relationships can be the key to long-term success and help navigate the local market's complexities. 4. Leverage technology and innovation. While traditional industries are strong, there's growing potential in tech-driven sectors. Jamaica is increasingly open to digital innovations, particularly in finance, education, and e-commerce. Businesses that can introduce efficient, tech-savvy solutions to everyday problems will find a receptive market and can stand out from the competition. 5. Focus on sustainability and social impact. Jamaicans are increasingly conscious of environmental and social impacts, especially given the island's vulnerability to climate change. Businesses that prioritize sustainable practices and contribute positively to the community will gain favor with local consumers and align with international trends and expectations, enhancing their global appeal. Now please smash that like button, spread the word, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories. Until our next adventure, keep those vibes sky high and always remember, Jamaica, no problem.